Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. People, today I have an exciting video phone, alright? Because the top girl do it once again. Now, we know the top girl rate Vybz Kartel. I mean, here she sing some Vybz Kartel song before, but the way how she angle that one of people, may I tell you no, different. So, a lot of people might not gonna know that song you like. The younger people, well, maybe me a doubt, but me just a guess so when not gonna know it. You see what I say? But it don't even matter because the way how top girl deal with it, it does a shot, it just a sting. You see what I say, people? And she sing some other tune. But first, here we go. I want to hear how she deal with that Vybz Kartel song. Here goes.
Remember the cartel, yeah? In come the thing called. Well, in come the thing called. The one I name Remember when me roll up another code 615 for my case? Full Versace from the soup, Versace boot, Versace lace. Presidential race, the amount of people in the place. Me see the wall of Waterford and Southside and Spanish Town, crazy face. When I come my code for joke like Chevy Chase. What's the charge? Them send my arms up like a military base. Me have my lawyer from the United States. Me know the good, me know the bad is like a two-sided face. Hey, talk a court say in my second judge appearing. Judge appearing, start the hearing. Bible rise and people swearing. Mr. Palmer said the judge. Entertainer come to court to. What you here today for? I don't want to know to him say listen. The officer them charge of your position of a weapon. Plus the ammunition, that's another felon. Plus you wanted in connection with a murder. You have anything to say before the court goes any further? Me just say me never bring no gun that day. Right now me never bring no gun that day. True, me never bring no gun that day. God know me never bring no gun that day. Go feed the police, make him testify. So feed the police, make him testify. Because he's telling all kind of lie. The lawyer said that case you have to sign, alright. Time for trial, first witness to the stand. Stephen McGregor, top producer of the reggae songs. Raise your hand, do you swear to tell the right and not the wrong? On the day of question, tell me everything you plan. Him say, you run away, me did the drive, go check somebody. When me reach above the con, me get pulled over by a squaddy. As him say, make my pick up your body. Him tell me, say, him a go make the carry end up shabby. Objection, overruled. After that, him ride the shot. He put it in the back of the car, go on the road, go like a cabby. Back up. Suspect his arm with a shotty. Me look, me see the whole of Barbican and Copperati. To the station, them escort me. Me reach them, say, them a charge me. Me say, oh, for murder this. Him say, shut up and leave or ask me. Him said, them a go shot. Me make the shotty and the cartridge plus couple 9 rounds.
Yeah, people, so you know the life they kind of freeze up and it cut off right there, so but I feel like we're gonna get more than enough for know, you know what I mean, the levels of, you know what I mean, artistry that the top girl possess for sing back a Vybz Kartel song to the, you know what I mean, we match it up like that. I'm just excited for hear it. And more and more feel down in the comment section. Now people, she sing another song and me show you how versatile the top girl is because she sing a song and she sing it for the man them. Saying? And when me say she sing it for the man them, she has sing it and a defend the man them like the good man them when know over take care of woman and woman a treat them unfairly. Now tell me how much artists overall you know a sing song like them here. Me a show you how the artist is versatile. You see what me I say? So people are the top girl and she there with her next song. Listen to this. Here goes.
Yeah. Whoa, yeah. She can't say you no provide for her. Can't say you never do the things them way a man supposed to do. You fight for her. Buy her Victoria draws, now the man a take it off. You not see you too good for her. Yeah. I'ma pull it up, hold on. Come on, I think the man didn't hear me. Good girl no tear for good man like you. Pull up. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. She can't say you no provide for her. Can't say you never do the things them way a man supposed to do. You fight for her. Buy her Victoria draws, now the man a take it off. You not see you too good for her. Yeah, you know see say you're too good for her. Yeah, good girl no tear for good man like you. Stop waste your time cause the girl no like you. You know see you're too good for her. Yeah, you make everybody good and take care of the bills them. Cause you a man when you left out your kids them and everything. Listen to me, man. The man them remember say, I know woman alone me sing and empower. Me empower the man them too. So listen. Go and listen to the music and stream the music. Listen and stream the music. So before y'all talk about this and talk about, come on. For everybody. Because some girl like man we beat them and they'll treat them. Man with temper short like a weekend. But like a man we can sit down and reason. And no any woman can please it. Cause them gyal have the good man, them a fuck them up. Them really like a man with fi shut them up. Fi butter bruise and broke them up. I chew your lover make you stick around. You know see you're too good for you, yeah. You know see you're too good for you. You know see you're too good for you, yeah. You know see you're too good for you, yeah. You're too good for you, yeah? Yeah.
Not telling lies, she's super talented people. You saw what I say? I will bet everything I have on Shaneil Muir at any time. You saw what I say? She prove it over and over again. She's well worthy. You saw what I say? But people, she have one more song. Me have one more song me I go play for now. That one is a regular still, but the fans them like it and me like it. You know, she sing one heap of song on the live, you know. But she sing some song like exclusive one you hear all the time. I don't feel like me did need for bring back that tone. You know? You saw what I say? And she sing naturally as well. You don't know what that I do road. You saw what I say? And she sing some other song. And then in her line live, she just sing some other people's songs. Some Kenny Rogers, you know, she has sing all Missy Elliott. For show you how the girl versatile and she just love music and have a passion for music. She just go through some song and I make people, I tell her like, you know what I mean, who sing the song them and thing like that. You see me? So we know where the talent are forward from. But people, like me say, I have one more song for play, so I'm going to play it and I could hear. Here we go on. Top girl pan them again.
Yeah. I mean, I do the love thing, come on paranoid. Me just feel every man out for hurt me. I can't trust a man, but I tell her the truth. For lose myself, me know it, no worth it. Can't love again, me heart paralyzed. I swear me in need of therapy. Before me make a man, me prefer to use myself. Yeah. Swear me can't love again. Can't take another band-aid. Mama just another man is like another mistake. Me heart breaks, I'ma take a quick break. Swear me can't love again. Can't take another band-aid. Mama just another man is like another mistake. Me heart breaks, I'ma take a quick break. Yo, cause nowadays too cliche for me. Words don't mean nothing these days. Coming from your attitude change, nobody feel me and wait. To see a real money with a real strange to me. Loyalty no real. Maybe I'm not sure, but I some feel. It's like me heartbreak.
People, I tell you, the top girl is very talented. And every time I do them video apps, me know some people might listen and I say, this man never say nothing bad about nobody else. But when I have meds that, I only pick the video them what I like and pick topic what I like. So there's nothing bad for say. You see me I say, when I like something or I feel like I can say something good about it, but now I go say nothing at all. Because when I notice them, I do every video. You see me? But these are the ones that I love. You know what I mean? A long time I follow the top girl talent. You know what I mean? I find out about her still when she bust. I not go say I know her before she bust. And when she bust, I find out about her. But early still, when she just did have the one song. You see me I say, I run the place. When she have 3D, I know about her before Yama Bella. You see me I say, so it's still early. But nowadays, people, you know what I mean? Full support, full 1,000. Always a support the top girl. So big up on yourself, people. Thank you for listening to this. You know what I mean? And get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about how the top girl deal with this. Alright, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.